just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity. And when I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So hope you guys are having a good day so far. Mine is, you know, going like I always say it is. So for this video, I thought I would do a quick look using some single shadows that I actually got from an indie brand that I found on Facebook. Not Facebook, oh my god, I knew that sounded wrong when it was like coming out of my head. I'm like, Instagram, called Tracy's Powder Room. I'll link them below. They're a really cute little small indie brand that I finally got a chance to try. I think I got a few of their eyeshadows like a month ago, and I've played around with them, but I haven't actually just done a video with showcasing like the shadows. I will show them to you now. They are these ones on the bottom row right here. These two are actually like Irish themed. You can kind of still see the shamrock on it, but this one's kind of gone because I was playing with it. I will swatch them all for you really quickly. This one is called Pinch Me, and it's a really pretty green. Oh, I hate taking them out. We all know like the last couple of times when I kept dropping them. It looks like this. The next one is, I'm not going to take them out because I'm getting nervous. Dublin, which is this one right here. The next one is Don't Be Coy. The next one is called One in Rome. I actually ended up getting all like satin metallics in my order. The next one is called, I believe it's just Neptune. Yes, Neptune. Which is this right here. And the last one is called Vintage Peach. What's my arm here? And it's those. So these are all the colors right here. They're really just very, very, very pretty, and I'm excited to use them. I've used, I believe, One in Rome. I believe in one or two videos I used it as like an inner corner or a brow highlight in the videos. I really like it. It's kind of color shifty. It's very pretty. For this video, I am going to pair it with some mattes from the Pacifica Animal Magic palette, just because there's some blues in there that go really well. And the colors that I'm going to use today, I'm going to use Neptune and When in Rome for my eye look. Kind of want to use Vintage Peach for something, but I don't think it'll go. So pretty. So anyway, before I keep rambling on, let's get into creating a fun look with some shadows from Tracy's Powder Room. To start off, I just prime my eyes with the e.l.f. Putty Primer, and now I'm going to go into the Pacifica Animal Magic palette, and I'm going to go into this color Blue Whale right here. I'm just going to pick it up on a fluffy brush. This is a Nygaard 17. This is a very dark, saturated color. There's a lot of color payoff when you put this on, which you'll see in a second. And I'm just going to go back and forth in a sweeping motion, like I always do, just to start off. And then I just want to take a blending brush and just smooth out the top, really buff it out a little bit. And then I'm just gonna go in on the other eye with Blue Whale as well. I love hearing about small like indie brands and stuff just because I find their shadows really great, and I love supporting small businesses. So have any of you shopped, have you heard of or shopped from Tracy's Powder Room before? And also, what are some of your favorite smaller makeup companies that you like to shop from? And then I'm just going to do the same thing with the blending brush on this side. Now I'm just going to go into the color When in Rome which is this color right here, from Tracy's Powder Room on a small pencil brush. And I'm going to apply that to my brow bone area. I love this as a brow bone and inner corner highlight. This color is beautiful for that. And it goes with a variety of shadows because it like color shifts from like iridescence from like a gold and a white, but like it could also pick up really pretty just with browns and stuff too. It's just really nice. And then I'm just gonna take my blending brush and then just go between the two just to smooth it out. I did get a little bit of fallout from When in Rome, which is fine. So it'll be looking like this. And now I'm just gonna jump back into, I never make it easy for myself. I'm gonna jump back into the Pacifica palette and I'm gonna go into this color Dolphin right here on a Wayne Goss 26S brush. And I'm gonna apply that to my mobile lid, bringing it to kind of like the middle of my eye and blending them together. They're very similar. This one's a little bit lighter. I just want it as my base for the color Neptune. So the color Neptune is this one right here. And I'm just going to take a flat brush and I'm going to pick it up on that, but I'm also, after I pick it up on the brush, I'm just going to spritz it with some water. And I'm just going to apply this all over my mobile lid. Neptune is like a beautiful bluishy gold shifting shadow. And it just goes really nice with these two blues. Like that, and then I'm just going to repeat that on the other side. So it'll look like this so far. So off camera, I just finished up this eye, and then on this eye so far, I just added Mainline from Urban Decay to their gel waterliner and just some eyeliner on my mobile lid. Now I'm going to go back into the Animal Magic palette, and I am going to go back into the color Dolphin right here, and I'm going to put that under my lower lash line. And then I'm just going to take a tinier blending brush and just smooth it out a little bit. And then for my inner corner, I'm going to go into Tracy's Powder Room again. And I am going to go into the color When in Rome again, which is the color I used in my brow bone. And I'm just going to plop it in right there. So like that. This is my final look right here. I really like it. My right eye is tearing, so it's messing it up a little bit, but I think it came out really pretty, minus my right eye tearing. I'm very happy with it. I think the shadows perform nicely. I just finished it up with applying Colourpop and Safiya Nygaard's collaboration in the color Bikini Bottom on my lips, and that is it. So that is it for this video. If you liked it, please feel free to hit that like button. If you really liked it, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. Thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate you sharing this minute with me. I really appreciate it. So thank you guys so much. As always, I will list everything that I'm wearing on my face as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles in case you want to follow me there. I post pictures of looks I do not film, as well as pictures of my pets, and I think they are adorable, but of course we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies, but oh well. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, be you, do you, love you, bye!